I'm Bob Dean, a math teacher from Vancouver, Washington. You have a copy of my testimony, so I'll just skip down. The WASL was a billion-dollar disaster in this state because there was a disconnect between the standards and the assessment. That's the same problem we're going to run into with the Common Core standards. There is a big disconnect, will be a big disconnect. That is a disconnect of understanding. I spent 40 hours in those standards over the summer, and I know how hard they're going to be to understand for our teachers. That's going to lead to poor results. Changing the standards in 2008 and then testing on the old standards for 2 years led to disastrous results, no improvement. And that's exactly what you are going to see happen with the Common Core standards. People are already talking about changing over to them while we're testing on the old standards. We just seen what that does. You will see no improvement. That's why we shouldn't be making this move. I don't know if you're aware of this. I assume most of you are not. We have a terrible EOC on geometry happening right now. It is nonsensical. The standards are nonsensical. You have to be a mathematician to understand that. You can change that. But what are you going to do when you give away your legislative authority to a small group of people in Washington, D.C. who are unelected? You won't be able to change the assessments. You won't be able to change the standards. We need to delay adopting the Common Core standards until we can make sense of what they are.
Thank you all.